We're excited you've chosen a Lasko fan for your home. This video will show you how to successfully assemble the Lasko Windstorm 18-inch pedestal fan. First, locate the instruction manual, which can be found inside the motor packaging. If there's a cover on the motor, remove and recycle it. Align the hole on the base with the long tube with the dimple on the bottom. Insert the tube into the base socket until it clicks. Position the short tube above the long one and push to secure. Set aside the base assembly. Align the notch in the rear grille with the motor assembly, then press the rear grille until all 4 snaps are in place. Return the base and pull assembly and secure it to the motor assembly. Locate the hole at the back of the motor assembly. Align it with the snap on the short tube. Push the motor assembly down until it clicks. Match the notch on the blade with the cross pin on the motor shaft. Holding the motor, press the blade into place. Ensure the cross pin is fully inserted. Next, secure the front grille. Align the Lasko badge snaps with the slots and press down firmly. Horizontally orient the Lasko logo. Position the top of the front grille over the top of the rear grille. Squeeze both sides together, moving from the top of the grille to the bottom. Once the grille is securely in place, you have completed assembly and can begin enjoying your new Lasko fan. Lasko, better air starts here.